Hello everyone, welcome to Code Fanatic. In this video we are going to learn how to set up your GitHub account in your Android Studio project. First we have to download Git from Git's official website. I'm using a Windows system, so I've already downloaded the Git client. You can download based on your preferred operating system. I'll put the link in the description below. So once you've downloaded and installed Git, you can create a GitHub account in GitHub's website. Once you have done that, go to your Android Studio, File, Settings, and go to Version Control. So if you go to Git here, Android Studio automatically detects your Git path if you have installed a Git in your system. If you have another path, or if Android Studio doesn't detect your Git path, you can copy your Git path and paste it here. You can click on test and it will display your Git version which is installed in your system. Once you have done that, go to GitHub, add an account. So now I'm going to type in my GitHub credentials. Click on login. So my GitHub account is now successfully added to my Android Studio. I click on apply and OK. Once I've added my GitHub account, now we are going to upload our project to GitHub. To do that, you're going to click on VCS, import into version control, share project on GitHub. So you can type in your repository name. You can type in your you can type in a description if you want. So let me type a description. Now Android Studio asks us which files you want to commit. It actually shows us an overview of all the files which are going to get committed. So you can uncheck files which you don't want to commit. Make sure you don't commit .idea folder. So you can type in a commit message. If you want to learn how to write good commit messages, please check out my video on writing good commit messages. I'll put the link in the description. So I'll click on add. Now what happens is it commits and pushes all the files into our GitHub repository. So our files are now successfully uploaded. So if I go to my remote repository, which is my GitHub account, and click on your repositories, my project is now available in my GitHub account. You can see all my files are now uploaded. So now we are going to learn how to do a commit operation. I'm going to type in a line. So I've typed a comment, my first comment. So now I've edited my main activity file. So now for these changes to now be available in my GitHub account, I have to first commit the changes. So I'm going to go to VCS, git commit. So Android Studio now shows me all the changes which are done in my project. Which I have edited only one file, so it shows only one file here. If I do, you can check out what's the difference between the Git remote version and the local version here. You can see the remote version has only the remote. This is the remote version. This is what the change which I have made. So I can type in a commit message. I click on commit. So my changes are now committed, but it doesn't mean it has been uploaded to my GitHub account. So if you can go to your main activity file in GitHub account. So you can see that my changes have not yet been reflected in my remote repository, which is my GitHub account. For those changes to come here, you have to push those changes. So you have to go to VCS, git push. So Android Studio loads up all the commits which are available for pushing. So there's only one commit. So if I click on push now, so now my commits are pushed. So if I go to my GitHub account, I click on refresh, you can see my commit is now been pushed to my remote repository, and I can see my comment here. So now we are going to learn how to do a pull command, a pull. So I'm going to edit my file in my GitHub repository. I'm going to type in another comment line, my second comment, and I'm going to commit my changes. So now my changes have been committed. I want this line to appear in my local repository. So to do that, you have to do a pull. There's only one branch right now, which is origin master. I will do a separate video on how branching. You can learn more about branching and merging in that video. So let me do a pull. You can see that now the line which I added in my GitHub account is now visible here. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can produce more videos on Git. Thank you.